So only 2 left, calculates. I bet you're able to do these by yourself. So again, I don't have rules for anything other than x after trig functions. So if there's not just a plain old x, I'm going to have to substitute. And so again, I'll come over here and check to see what the derivative is. That's really just a half. Remember, because this is really 1/2 x. And so if I get du by itself, then I'll get 1/2 dx. So now I have the integral so far of cosecant squared of u that stuff all got substituted for. And I go, oh man, I need a half. And I say, okay, well, I'll slip a half in here, but I'm going to have to compensate for that out in front by multiplying by 2, because together they equal a big fat 1. And so now I'll write it again. Oops, struggling with spelling cosecant apparently. And all of this is turning into du. And then I'm ready to take the antiderivative. So antiderivative of cosecant squared is negative cotangent. So I'm going to have 2, and then negative cotangent. Don't forget my vitamin C. And if I simplify, I'll have negative 2 cotangent, but I'm going to replace the u with x over 2 plus c. Ah, look at that. Not so bad. Okay, moving on to the last one. Again, they tell me the substitution, but I probably could have guessed that. Whee! Because I have something other than just x after the trig function. So right now I have secant u, tangent u, dx. Oh, I can't have that dx in there, so I'm going to have to work over here on this side. So du dx is negative 1, which means du is negative 1 dx. And then I say, ooh, do I have that? Do I have that? Well, not exactly. I just have a plain dx, but I could put a negative 1. I could squeeze it in there, but I'll have to compensate. I'll need another negative 1 out in front so that I multiplied by a big fat 1. Now, when I take the antiderivative of secant tangent, I get secant. Don't forget the negative 1 out in front. Don't forget my vitamin C. And then last but not least, negative secant. And u was really 1 minus x plus
so they have
c.
to be all black or all white?
Okay, make sure you double check the assignment because there will be a couple of simple problems for you to practice before you come to class tomorrow. I'm out.